G'day and welcome to Sumo's Projects, and welcome to this week's video. This is my entry into the Karl Pope Make a Chair Challenge 2020. I call it the Adirondack Viking chair, and it's made from everything from pallet wood, fence palings and all sorts of scraps I have had laying about in the workshop. Let's go make it. When Karl Pope Woodcraft proposed a challenge for 2020, being the Karl Pope Make a Chair Challenge, I could do nothing but participate in this because it's a brilliant idea. And as you've seen, he just calling me before, making sure I was following the rules down to the wire. Anyway, I set about cutting up some pallet wood to a 12-degree angle. This is the degree of angle needed for the legs of this chair, and also cutting the rest of the joining segments at the same angle. So considering I was pretty flat knacker trying to finish about 16.5 million projects, I had to use pocket hole joinery to do most of this, and a lot of screws. And I believe a stipulation between making an Adirondack chair is that it can be screwed together for the joinery, so I was on board with that. My plan of attack, this is my eyeball type of project, because nothing really was going to any measurements at all, and I was trying to give it that unique, funky, staggered, pray for the best look, and it seemed to fall in place for most of the project. So giving everything a good sand over here, trying to take off the sharper corners, and it's going along all right. I think Karl will probably agree I'm not cheating in any way, and yeah, let's keep going. So as I'm working along to my plans, my SketchUp, which is normally a pencil and a bit of paper, I tend to go back to cut things as I'm going. It's called planning on the run. It's not a bad method. So if you haven't stuffed up a previous process and you go and do something else, you know you're being successful. Anyway, yeah, doing all sorts of things here, stretches, and using a wedge here to get this is a back angle, so I've got that all right. Set that at about, I don't know, 6 degrees, something like that. And now making some other components. This is a bit of spray painting. Black spray paint is a good contrast to any timber look, I think. I'm running all the, this is Jarrah or mahogany. Running it through my brand new thicknesser, the helical spiral head. That was my last video. I did a review if you'd like to go back and have a look. And now I'm doing the attachment of the seat slats with some screws. So it's not a bad contrast once again using a zinc coated screw, because it looks good against the different surfaces. I went into all measures here. This was an old part of a fence or something. I think it's red gum, and it's been sitting in the weather for a few years, so just give it a bit of a tidy up. As you can see, pretty putrid, and you got to let the dust settle a little bit and have a drink in between. Cut things down to size here with the Aldi circular saw. And then I go about attaching these to the backer frame I made. And things are coming along really nicely at this stage. Also doing fence palings as part of that backer. Doing a round over for the arms, and I'll tell you what, it's nearly complete. It's taken me a while to build, but I'm wrapped I could do it. Attaching the arms here with some screws. I'd just like to at this stage say a big thanks to Karl Pope for hosting this challenge. It's absolutely awesome. And if you'd like to subscribe to Sumo's projects and hit the notification bell, I'd be equally as pleased. Oh yeah, I'm trying this new Evolution Whittle Wax product, and it's absolutely magnificent. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Hooroo.